back to my channel. This is Clarizz. Welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. If you are new to this channel, we do tons of great DIY projects here, some motherhood as well as some lifestyle DIYs. So make sure that you're subscribed and also hit that notification button so that you can be the first ones to find out about these videos. It's pretty crazy. This is my first Mother's Day. I can't believe I'm a mom. It's been a wonderful roller coaster, so bring on the gifts. I've been sharing with y'all tons of Mother's Day gift ideas in the past years, and this one is another easy project that you can all make for moms, grandmas, aunties, or whoever your mom figure may be. This is super easy, and I know that if I receive this myself, I'll definitely love it. So I hope that you enjoy this DIY, and let's get right to it. I got these lovely round containers from the Dollar Tree. They're obviously only $1, and they worked out really well because they were the perfect size. Although with this one, you can see I'm gluing the lid onto the bottom part of the actual container itself because I wanted it to be taller. You can all use whatever containers you want. I also wanted to cover this with some contact marble paper, and this was something that I just got from Amazon. Now these floral foams are also from the dollar store, and you can use this, or you can actually use a wet floral foam where you can probably preserve the flowers a little bit longer, but I didn't find that at my dollar store, so I went with this one. So obviously you're gonna have to customize the size of this foam to fit into your container, and it's super easy. All you have to do is pretty much glue that down with a glue gun, and that should secure it pretty well. Alright, so now we're gonna melt some chocolates, and I'm doing that over the stove because I like how you can keep it a little bit warmer, and you can set that to a lower temperature instead of just putting it in the microwave and then constantly have to heat it up to make it melt. So I melt these at medium heat. I add a little bit of vegetable oil to make it even more liquid. Make sure your strawberries are well washed and also super dry. I've also pre-cut some of these barbecue sticks to several different sizes. So now all you have to do is dip that in, and look how beautiful it just comes out. I love working with white chocolate because obviously you can customize the color of it, but if you love the chocolate, you go for that color too. And there's so many different ways of adding texture to our strawberries. The first one is literally putting a little bit of that into a Ziploc bag and then just kind of piping it, making a little bit of a hole at the bottom. And then I also got these gold sprinkles that you can put on the top to add more texture. So again, to give our bouquet a little bit of a contrast, I wanted to make this beautiful, very light purple, or should I say lavender color, and just kind of drizzle that over the white, and you know, you can mix and match it or just do the purple over the purple. And so we have all of these ones, and it just looks so gorgeous. Once you have your strawberries all ready, make sure that you wash your florals because they're going to be contact with the strawberries. It's really important that you are going to be washing these thoroughly. Take off any petals that look old, and now all you're going to be doing is literally putting this thing together. I had no idea how to do this myself because it was my first time doing this type of bouquet, but all you want to pretty much keep in mind is that you're going to be making a shape of a circle. When you're putting in your strawberries and also roses, make sure that they're close to each other as possible so that there are no gaps. And you can even arrange these however you want. You can put all the roses on one side and all the strawberries on another side. And you can even go ahead and add other desserts for more texture if you want to. So I'm just taking these macarons that I actually made a long time ago. These are recycled macarons. I'll show you how to paint them in another video. You can see the card to link that video up here. And yeah, I literally don't eat my desserts. I just recycle them and save them for videos like this. To fill the really small gaps, take some raspberries, put a little bit of chocolate in between the stick and the fruit itself, and then just stick it on the places where there are gaps, and that's it. You're all done with this beautiful bouquet. How about that DIY? Don't you just love it? I think it's absolutely gorgeous. If I received it, I would be super happy. Make sure that you comment down below. Let me know what you think. Hit that like button so that I know that you guys love videos like these ones. I hope to see you in my next video. Happy Mother's Day. Bye.